Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on ICICI Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on ICICI Bank with a price target of Rs 1300. Overall, we see ICICI Bank relatively well positioned among large private peers. NIM pressure in the near term and a gradual normalization of credit cost in near to medium term would be partially offset by moderation in operating expenses growth. Thus, we see the bank sustaining ROA over 2% in near to medium term. We believe the bank is on the path of delivering a sustainable and predictable earnings growth trajectory. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year and it currently trades at 2.6 times FY25 and 2.2 times its FY26 estimated core book value. Next, we have an update on Dabur India. Our analyst retains buy rating on Dabur India with an unchanged price target of Rs 715. Dabur will post mid to high single digit revenue growth in Q1 of FY25 with domestic volume growth of mid to single digits. Gross margins and operating profit margin will remain high year on year. Operating profit to grow marginally ahead of revenue growth. We expect revenue to grow at 6% and PAT to grow at 7% year on year in Q1. With an expected normal monsoon and government's continued focus on macroeconomic growth, the company expects demand to accelerate in the coming months. The stock is currently trading at 52 times its FY25 and 44 times its FY26 estimated earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.